I've been playing with the SofaBaton U2 universal remote, and it's actually pretty impressive, and I'll show you everything you need to know about it. And first off, it's not exactly like a traditional remote because it uses an app on your phone to actually configure the thing. You can control up to 15 different devices. So there's a really satisfying scrolling menu here and a screen where you can actually scroll from, TV in the living room, in the bedroom. This one remote will control it all. The clicks are extremely satisfying. And you can hear what it's doing right now to this TV that's right next to me. This TV has been configured really, really quickly, straight with the app. It's actually quite incredible what it does. And like I said, you can control TVs, computer monitors. You can also control anything with an infrared or Bluetooth signal. So if you've got a fan remote, if you've got an AC remote, this thing can do it. It's pretty wild. Literally took me probably around 60 seconds to do my first device. Added it up right away, super, super easy. And when you don't even know the device you're trying to connect to, it even has a learning mode, which means it will test out through the app on your phone. It will test out the different commands and see if your device is reacting to it. As soon as your device reacts to the proper command that your app is sending, it'll send the information to the remote and it's paired. I love the fact that now I don't have to worry about all the multiple remotes we all have in our living room and in our bedrooms. This will control it all in one single unit. And it's super easy to select with the top cursor at the top. You select the device you're trying to control, whether it's an Apple TV, a Roku, a whatever DirecTV box, a monitor, a screen projector, anything at all, you can do it. And right in the box, they even include the batteries that you need to get started. This remote is awesome, and it was sent to us for our review, and we're really, really happy to be testing it out and trying it out for you.